Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is which is an example of the regulation in the automobiles industry. Option A, the creations of fuels efficiency standards from cars. Option B, the installation of the satellite radio system in some cars. Option C, the using of the multiple years warranties to cover repairs. Option D, the production of the hybrid models, the conserve gasoline. The correct answer of the question is option A, the creations of fuels efficiency standard for cars. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and our sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.